Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the WWE app on Fire TV. So let's get straight down to it. On the top bar, just find the Find toggle and go down to Search. When you click on Search, you're presented with this keyword. And right away, I'm going to type in WWE. And on the suggestions, you have it right there, WWE. So we'll be downloading the WWE app on Fire TV. Now you could look at the suggestions that pop up. Here's the WWE app right here. Clicking on it, you have a download button. This download button loads and you can click OK to begin the download. So after a couple of seconds, the download begins. Just be patient and wait for the download to commence. The download will take you a couple of seconds to maybe a minute, depending on internet speed. Now when the download is completed, this app will automatically install on your Fire TV. Just give it some time and it's going to install. You can access the app directly on your app library. Alternatively, there will be an open app icon immediately after installation. So if you found value in that tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.